The deepest he's ever been. There you go. Hell,
What the
stand
hell?
on the front rack. He doesn't get down out or blow up.
I think he's a quart low now, fellas.
I think he'll run out of gas before he gets out of it.
Get him, Drake.
Don't push, Drake. Your buddy needs you. It sounds like an outboard.
No shit.
I've never seen him get that.
I'm proud of him. You,
Oh, yes,
Yeah, so-
Honda's completely submerged in Texas.
no, but see, but they got 10-foot snorkels, I think.
But usually the Honda,
There he goes.
usually Hondas in Texas are upside down.
Look at this cracker.
He's using 3/4 a tank of fuel easy on this.
What a dick.
I think his tire threw it up.
He knows better. Now that's liquid cooling if I ever seen it. He's making it, I think.
I think he's hung up again.
You're so close.
Hey, is that an Evinrude or a Mercury? I could swear he was trying to come out.
Pretty sure his back tire didn't touch it.
Oh shit.
Come on, it's getting dark.
Hey, Sean would be proud of you.
He'd be jealous.
No, Sean, he was fucking relentless. You can do it, bud.
So close.
You got a breath yet?
It's about to get shallow again.
Take the 700.
We're not looking up. If anything, one was a rapid strap. No more four-wheel power to get him out. Let him do it on his own.
Hey, just jump off. Oh, come on, just flip it. Just fuck flip it. Me? Yeah, I know.
Bet he wishes he didn't run the tires off out on the road.
Sorry, bud.
He is in my ruts. Right here is where I came out.
Just get off to one side real good. You're gonna have to lean it over a little bit. Look at all that oil.
What surprised me?
What are we doing here?
What?
What are we doing?
I'm fucking wore out.
I don't know how.
You got it high or low?
Yeah.
There you go. There you go.
Hey, keep leaning this way.
Yeah, you gotta lean it real good. It'll feel like it's gonna tip, but it ain't gonna. Keep leaning some more, just like you're bicycling. Turn the wheel a little to the left.
Out of gas.
Damn it. Bud, you have no idea how proud I am of you.
Yeah.
No,
That's Afghanistan.
no shit. We said Sean's gonna be proud of you, bud.
Is it out of gas?
Huh?
Is it out of gas?
I think I put it on the side too much.
He's out of gas.
What happens if you put it on the side?
Well, it probably ran out of fuel.